Pare, magpakatino ka na kasi. Graduate na tayo.
Alam mo ba sa group natin, ikaw na lang hindi pa nakaka-boyfriend.
Actually,
now is all I know. Now is all I got.
Ano?
And
Kwento ka
I
naman.
don't know if there will be tomorrow for us.
About yourself.
Now
Nako.
is all I care about.
wala naman ako maikakwento tungkol
Now
sa
that
buhay ko.
you are
Buhay ko kaya?
now that you're the contents of
I don't think so.
my heart.
Kaya, kahit anong sabihin nila, ikaw at ako, sabay tayo sa paglalakbay.
Coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be, forever you and me. After all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts. Rescued from the fall. After all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be forever.